All right, friends, last obstacle of the day. You worked so hard. Now I need you to get this piece of paper, dry erase marker, and if you need a little bit more support, feel free to grab some cubes, but you do not need to have cubes to solve this problem. All right, let's look at our picture. I have 10 flowers. 8 of them are red, 2 of them are blue. I need you to write a number sentence that goes with my picture. Now on Seesaw, I need to see this piece of paper that shows my flowers with your addition number sentence that matches. Take a picture. Great job today.